Sunshine, lollipops and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Brighter than a lucky penny when you're near. The rain goes, disappears, dear, and I feel so fine just to know that you are mine. My life is sunshine, lollipops and rainbows. That's how this refrain goes. So come on, join in. Everybody, sunshine, lollipops and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is sure to come your way when you're in love to stay.
After the early starts, we had to get up at 5:30 this morning to get our bus. About a 3.5-hour bus, and now we finally made it to the river.
Brighter than a lucky penny when you're near. The rain goes, disappears, dear, and I feel so fine just to know that you are mine. My life is sunshine.
Beef is not what Jay said to Nas. Beef is when the working folks can't find jobs. So they tryna find niggas to rob, tryna find bigger guns for them to finish the job. Beef is when the crack babies can't find moms, cause they in a pine box. I lock behind bars. Beef ain't the summer jam for Hot 97. Beef is the cocaine and AIDS epidemic. Beef don't come with a radio edit. Beef is when the judge is calling you defendant. Beef, it come with a long jail sentence, handed down to you in a few short minutes.
Walking down the road with the pistol in the waist, Johnny and too bad.
Mos Def.
Walking down the road with the ratchet in the waist, Johnny and too bad.
Beef is when your girl come through for a visit to tell you how she pregnant by some other nigga. Beef is high blood pressure and bad credit. Need a loan for your home, but you're too broke to get it. And all your little kids doing is getting bigger. You trying not to raise them around these wild niggas. Beef is when a gold nigga got your seed in her. A manicure hand out like, pay me nigga. Ha. Or I'm telling your wife is starting up some foul rumor that'll ruin your life. Beef is when the gangster ain't doing it right, and other gangsters undecided what to do with his life.
Walking down the road with the pistol in your waist, Johnny and too bad. Walking down the road with the ratchet in the waist, Johnny and too bad.
Beef is not what these famous niggas do on the mic. Beef Beef is what George Bush would do in the fight. Beef is Miss Wallace, still don't know who shot Biggie. And beef is Well Done Herb not being here with me when a soldier ends his life with his own gun. Beef is trying to figure out what to tell his son. Beef is oil prices and geopolitics. Beef is Iraq, the West Bank, and Gaza Strip. Some beef is big and some beef is small, but charcoal beef is not beef at all. Beef is real life happening every day, and it's realer than them songs that you gave to K. Slay.
Hi, bye.
Big up battle, mini, money, moon, and flower, gold, chosen one. Will your left hand's free, and your right hand grip, with a northern hand, watching right hand self, chosen one.
Sounds great. Sick morning. Hydraulic jam! Whoa! Woo! Just finished the Upper Modi, and it's now come down to the Kali. And so now we're just waiting here for the raft group that was doing the Kali, and we'll be meeting up with them, going down river a little bit to set up camp for tonight. Not a bad day.
O-O-M-G-G, Wiz girl, you're the one for me. Though your man's bigger than I am, all my days he disagrees. Oh, no, speak easy.
Camping spots. Definitely very fortunate to be able to meet up with this group. Camp set up. Now it's time to play.
Got a little soul, the world is a cold, cold place to be. Want a little warmth, but who's gonna save a little warmth for me? We know the fire waits, unbelievers, all of the sinners the same. Girl, you and I
started paddling down the Kali, and yet another beautiful place in Nepal.
Girl, you and I will die, unbelievers bound to the tracks of the train. I'm not be? Is this the fate that half of the world has planned for me? I know I love you, and you love to see, but what only water contains a little drop for me. See the sun go down, it's going on down, and the night is deep. Want a little light, but who's gonna save a little light for me? We know the fire waits, unbelievers, all of the sinners the same. Girl, you and I would die, unbelievers bound to the tracks of the train. I'm not excited, but should I be? Is this the fate that half of the world has planned for me? I know I love you, and you love to see, but what only water contains a little drop for me. I'm not excited, but should I be?